Nothing reminds me of my big mama more than her southern sweet potato pie recipe baking away in her Mississippi kitchen. It was so simple, straightforward, and absolutely perfect. So let's get into this recipe, y'all. We start by baking, not boiling the sweet potatoes because we really want to bring out all of those incredible flavors. Next, we got to blend it up and get rid of those little strings, the ones that keep us from having a super silky pie. Then we go with granulated sugar, no brown sugar around here, y'all, and just nutmeg. Yep, you heard that. Just nutmeg. That's what my big mama did, and that's what I do. Next, we get into this homemade pie dough. It is all butter. It's absolutely flaky and delicious. And once you pour that silky sweet potato filling in and bake it up, it turns out like this, okay? Let it set up, and it is just absolute perfection.